Hello everyone. Today we will see design problems on fiber reinforced concrete. So the first problem is a steel fiber reinforced concrete specimen is subjected to uniaxial tension consisting of fully bounded continuously aligned fibers. Calculate the critical fiber value. Given EF modulus of elasticity of fibers 200 gigapascal, maximum cracking strain 100 into 10 raised to minus 6, it is unitless. Matrix cracking stress sigma Fu 3 Newton per mm square. Minimum failure stress of fiber 100 Newton per mm square. So this is the problem statement. Now we need to go for solution. So write down the given data. So EF is given, modulus of elasticity of fiber 200 GPa, fiber failure stress 300 Newton per mm square. So now we need to convert this Newton per mm square to GPa. So 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 0.001 GPa. So after conversion we will get 0.003 GPa. So given EM is given, or if not given, you need to assume it as in the range of 20 to 40 GPa. EM is nothing but elastic modulus of matrix or concrete 20 GPa, and then strain epsilon mu is equal to 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. So here we have this formula, VFCRI into sigma Fu is equal to epsilon mu into bracket of EF into VFCRI plus of bracket 1 minus VFCRI bracket complete EM whole bracket complete. So here VFCR is nothing but critical volume fiber. So that one only we have to calculate in the matrix. Clear? In the composite we need to calculate critical volume fiber. So then whatever the given things, put those given things in the formula. On simplification you will get the value 0.66. So now we need to convert that into in terms of percentage, that is 66% of critical volume fiber present in the composite. So next problem number 2. Calculate increase in cracking stress of fiber reinforced concrete in uniaxial tension for steel fibers. Given EM is equal to 30 GPa, VF is equal to 0.025, EF is equal to 200 GPa. Next, solution. Write down the given data. Next, here we have sigma C by sigma M is equal to M minus 1 into bracket of VF plus 1. So here where M is equal to EF divided by EM, modulus of elasticity of fiber to the modulus of elasticity of matrix, that we need to calculate. So M is nothing but ratio of EF by EM. So here you got 6.67 GPa. After calculating EF by EM, that is M, put this M in this equation. So then you can also put the value of VF, then the equation turns to in this form. After we will get sigma C is equal to 1.14 sigma M. So in the problem statement we need to calculate increase in cracking stress of fiber. So here sigma C is nothing but cracking stress is equal to 1 is equal to 100. So above 1 point is itself increase in the cracking stress, that is 14. 14% increase in the fiber stress. Clear? So for your practice, this is the problem. You need to calculate the increase in cracking stress for composite in uniaxial tension for steel fiber reinforced concrete. So these are the given things. After calculation, you will get the result. Increase in fiber stress is equal to 22.5%. Thank you all.